Today we are talking about one of the most common vowel sounds, one of the most fundamental, essential sounds in British pronunciation. We are of course talking about sounds and R sounds, okay? These are the common sounds. You have to know how to differentiate between them, because in today's video I'm going to show you how to pronounce the short R sound and of course the R sound. This is the long R sound, and of course I'm going to help you how to fix them at the same time, because I think these are the most common mistakes English learners make in terms of when they starting to learn British pronunciation, or even of course any accent. To be fair, these are the fundamentals, essentials that you need to be aware of, and the difference between the short R sound and the long R sound. So these are the two vowel sounds in British English, of course, and they are a bit challenging, and they make, if you can master it, they can change the entire accent. And let's say if you start with a R sound, for example, this is the short font and flat vowel sound. Your mouth opens wide, your tongue sets low and forward. Okay, so say it with me. Sound, sound. Okay, sound. You see, it's very simple. Relax. Very short font vowel sounds. Okay. You will hear in words like cat, 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 man, man, hat, 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 back, 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 half, half. I have quite a lot of relationships. I have quite a lot of friendships. Half, okay? Now repeat after the sentence. The man has a black hat. The man has a black hat. The person has a black hat. I packed the back in the van. I packed the back in the van. The cat ran fast. The cat ran fast. It's short and is very sharp. Is a British R sound. And I think it's fundamental. If you want to master the British pronunciation, this is the fundamentals you need to know. The R sound, okay? R sound. Now let's kind of we call it like a stretch it out with the R sound. This is one of the longest, one of the long vowel sounds. Is very open, relax. Your mouth is open, but your jaw drops lower and your tongue moves backwards. Sounds. Sounds. You will hear sounds. Of course, in a words like car, if you want to, we call it sometimes a posh sound, okay? If you want to sound more posh, you might say car. You might say father. Father. Instead of father, you can say father. Start. People, they might say start. You can say start. Start. Like in a word star, okay? You can say star. Father. Father. Dark. Park. 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 So there are a lot of different pronunciations. Now try these. Okay, so try these, repeat after it, and of course, the more you practice. My father parks the car in the dark. My father parked the car in the dark. Okay, start the party after the march. Start the party after the march. I can't dance in the park after dark. I can't dance in the park after dark. Hear that long vowel stretch? That's what gives British English signature sound. And I think the central trails is that versus sound, okay? Now, if you put them together, and I would say sound versus sound. This is the short versus long front. We've got front and we've got back, okay? So you've got cat. Let's practice it. These are the minimum pairs. You've got the cat, cart, cat, cart, man, ma, bat and bar, pan and par, lack and lark. Now repeat after me and really exaggerate the contrast, okay? These sentences, you might say, the cat sat in the cart. The cat sat in the cart. The man saw a star in the dark. I packed the pan in the car. The bat flew over the bar. So I think these are all fundamentals. So that feel the difference, that musical memory you need to. And I would say, before we wrap things up, let's recap. We have got the sound, which is the short front and is a full width, with the sound, that is the long open and the backwards. So natural in English, or particularly in British pronunciation, it's all about these subtle vowel shifts. And now you've got them down, practice them in a real sentence, record yourself, and you will see the improvement. And soon you just speak even more British. You will sound like it. So if you like what you saw today, you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.